lot of urgent updates I got for you guys. There's a couple drops happening in just a couple of days to a few weeks away that I got to make sure you guys know about. There's also some sleepers we got to discuss and a new Travis Scott, which has some information going around that has got people pretty upset, but I want to clear some of that up. First of all, let's start off with some good news though. We have the Mind 001 massive restock incoming on the 20th of August, and obviously these are going to be maintaining the same retail at $95, and the resale on these is absolutely incredible. With a retail that low, you could damn near double your money on almost all of these colorways, and the stock is supposed to be pretty decent. I'll update you guys with the precise numbers as we get closer, but yeah, on the 20th, good profit potential on all of these colorways. As you can see, we have about 6 colorways of the 001s dropping, and then we also got the 002 in one colorway dropping. But in addition to Nike.com and the Nike app doing this restock on the 20th at 10 a.m. Eastern time, we're also going to be seeing more restocks occurring across other retailers like Scheels, for example, which, if you guys haven't been paying attention, have been already doing massive restocks. Like just the other day, they restocked a bunch of Mind 001s that are reselling for way over $200, and it was so easy for people inside the Discord to cop 2 to 4 pairs of these manually. This is without a bot, because our monitor is literally like 1 to 2 minutes faster than Twitter notifications, which makes a huge difference. By the time we're on our 2nd to 3rd pair copying, most people on Twitter are just getting the notifications. So I'd encourage you guys to consider checking out Endurance with the link in the description below, not just for sneakers, but there was also a massive Sam's Club Pokemon Ascending Heroes restock that people made hundreds of dollars profit on, and this is just really the tip of the iceberg, guys. I'd encourage you to check us out, links in the description below. While on the topic of Mind 001s, we also got 2 custom colorways of Mind 001s leaked that we saw from Drake's Nocta Manor. So we saw one that he was wearing, and then another one which was on a table, which kind of looks like Spider-Man colorways, but they're kind of blended together. I think they look really cool. We'll see if they end up releasing. Now, something a bit more urgent, the Pharrell Adidas Jellyfish raffle has just open for the Virginia website, so you can enter that now, and you have to enter now if you're going for these, because the raffle is going to be closing after 24 hours. Another reason to subscribe and enable post notifications. I really try my best to give you guys early info and urgent notifications like this for completely free. All you got to do is subscribe and enable post notifications. Like for the Cryo Shot shock drop information, which I told you guys was going to have a second chance well before it happened, and obviously that's going to impact your decisions on whether to sell or hold them. So yeah, I try to give you guys that kind of information when I can, but then when it comes to the precise details for shock drops, obviously we're posting that inside of the Discord, which is what we did for that Cryo Shot shock drop, and we have another big shock drop incoming, so just another reason to consider joining us, links in the description. But anyway, yeah, this raffle is going to be closing in 24 hours. Now, it is worth noting that these are not performing as well as most colorways, but they're around $400 still, in retails $300, so if you don't have tax in your state, even after fees, you can make a little bit of profit. The margin isn't going to be that great though. So yeah, it's still profit. It's just not going to be as good as other prior pairs, and it is a really clean personal pair too, all white. It is a high retail though at $300. And then, of course, we have the main drop, all the raffles happening on August 1st. Next up, a bit of a sleeper that I just want to make sure is on your guys' radar, because there's a drop happening on August 1st, and this is going to be for the Free the Youth Jordan 16. So there's going to be a release on through Free the Youth on August 1st, and then the Nike sneakers drop is going to be August 15th. Now, retail is pretty high. It's $255, but when it comes to these Jordan 16s, especially a collaboration like this, they're actually quite limited, similar to what we see with Jordan 17s, and it looks like there is sufficient demand for there to be profitability. So yeah, Free the Youth is not going to have free returns, unlike Nike sneakers on August 15th. So of course there is some risk there still, but it's looking like you might be able to make a little bit of profit off these, especially in the larger sizes. So just keep them on your radar. And not only those, but we got another sleeper that you guys should keep your eyes open for, and this is for the JJJ New Balance 740 and Mushroom. These are going to be dropping in just a few few days on July 30th. So again, another reason to enable notifications for this channel, because you don't want to miss out on things like this. Now, the retail is not confirmed, but usually these models do sell for around $110 to $120. JJJs are a little more expensive usually, so I could see them selling for $130, but that is extremely cheap for a JJJ New Balance. Usually these are $200 to $250. So I think a lot of people are just going to be happy to be able to pay under $200 for a JJJ collaboration, and the colorway definitely isn't bad. So I'm thinking these are going to be at least lunch money. Should be a nice decent sleeper cook that not too many people know about. Next up, some quick good and bad news. Those Jordan 11 Space Jams Galaxies, whatever you call them, the mock-up that we saw that looked like a galaxy design on the patent leather, those are going to be canceled or never were a real thing. Instead, what we're going to be getting is the Jordan 11 Monstars, which is supposed to be celebrating Space Jam's 30th anniversary. Now, we already talked about how we're getting the actual Space Jams back with the 23 instead of the 45 on the back, which I'm very excited for. Those are classics, obviously, we need those. These, though, I'm not a big fan of. You got to let me know if you are, though, in the comments below. These are dropping November 16th for $255. Next up, we got another Victor Air Force One. Another bit of a sleeper cook coming up. We have some Vans that are supposed to be releasing sometime in fall, and this is going to be a collaboration on the old school model. Now, the old school model has been very, very profitable in the non-collabs. Literally just regular colorways are actually very profitable, and we monitor a lot of websites like Vans for these restocks, and it's led to people making a lot of money manually off these restocks. So just another example of something that we're doing inside of Endurance. I'd encourage you guys to check us out. But yeah, this one is going to be a Harris Tweed collaboration, so I would imagine these are going to do even better. Probably not, definitely not as good as a Satoshi collaboration, but still definitely should be a decent cook, and they're going to be coming sometime in fall of 2026, fall this year. Then next up, we got to talk about these brand new Travis Scott Air Force Ones coming in ice blue colorway and some pretty unique materials. So luckily, these are going to be seeing a public release, and one of the best parts about it is that retail actually is not going to be too high. I think retail is just going to be about $120, which is absolutely incredible. Whether you want for personal or if you're reselling them, that leaves plenty of room for profitability. Now, Brandon has speculated that these might release through a sneakers reserve system, but on my end, I don't believe that's the case. I'm pretty sure these are not going to be releasing through a sneakers reserve, but that's not confirmed. We'll see as we get closer to the drop. Obviously, these are supposed to be dropping in fall, but from what I know right now, I don't think these are going to be dropping via a sneakers reserve, which would be a good thing because obviously nobody likes these sneakers reserves, and hopefully they drop through some kind of a fun method through Nike Sneakers. Nike Sneakers will be getting the majority of stock for this release in particular. But in addition to there, of course, we're going to see them drop on the Travis Scott website as well, and potentially other retailers. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys, and you should expect these to be profitable, not only because of the high demand, but because retail is so low at $120. Now, if they don't end up doing a sneakers reserve for them, the sneakers pre-order for them, hopefully they end up doing some kind of a fun release, some kind of a shock drop or whatever, but none of that is confirmed on my end as of now. Obviously, as we edge closer to it, I'll know for sure, and I'll keep you guys updated on that. So just subscribe and enable post notifications. Lastly for today, be careful when you wear these futuristic slides because they might just light your feet on fire. Not only that, but keep these away from your woman because they have a built-in vibrator to massage your feet. Yes, this is fully real. This is Nike's newest innovation. The powered strap can heat up to 117 degrees and also delivers vibrations to help loosen tight, tired feet. Obviously, these are meant for recovery, and in all seriousness, it's a sick concept, but note that retail is $250. This is the Air Zoom Hyper Slide, and it's dropping September 29th. That's all the updates I had for you guys today. Remember to check us out in Endurance with the link in the description below, and we also have a free group down there where we post free resources as well. No reason not to join the free group, so we can help you out, at least in that regard too. But if you're looking to step your game up in sneaker reselling, Pokemon reselling, anything, just make a lot of easy side income, definitely consider joining the full group.